I wish you all the best.
Aww.
The best. Okay?
Yun lang po. Kung tita, share some juicy details about Jeline.
Well, Jeline is my only daughter. You know very well.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes she's cheeky, but she's really soft-hearted. I
Aww.
know that. She cannot show her feelings sometimes. And, but you can still feel the soft-heartedness in her.
Oh.
Really. And, they are my strength. They are my rocks. Both of them with PJ. Kung wala sila, hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari sa akin. Talagang sila ang aking mga, kumbaga yung pader ko. At silang nagpapalakas sa akin. I love you, anak. I'm very blessed kasi kayo ang aking mga rocks. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday, Jeline.
Jeline! Hello! Happy birthday! 18 ka na din. Dati sa video sabi mo ate na ako, ate ka na din na. Tapos blessed ako kasi naging best friend kita. And siguro maraming plans si God bakit tayo naging friends and ka-close. And for all the spiritual advices na binigay mo. Thank you. Kahit na minsan nag-iiyakan, nagtatawanan, nandiyan pa rin tayo. Or kahit may downs man sa friendship, nababalik pa rin natin. Yun lang. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw na to. Ayoko na i-continue na iiyak na ako, gosh.
Oh.
Sige, yun na lang. Happy birthday and sana maging masaya. And sana, ma-continue ang friendship. Yun lang. God bless. Happy birthday. I love you. Bye-bye.
Aww.